Hi everybody, just a quick overview of my final project. I was the only one in my group. My initial project started out as nature themed, and like a week or two ago I completely changed it because I just wasn't loving it. So this didn't even turn out how I wanted it to. However, I was pretty proud of the background. You can kind of see the shapes there. So really the background is the main part of the site, especially because it took so much work to create that pattern. And there were some things in the bottom that I just didn't really want to be shown on my Zen Garden page, so I just hid those in the CSS. And that being said, this is the complicated background that was created. That was by far the hardest part, and for that reason it took so much time to create that I didn't get to really explore a whole lot of fonts and a whole lot of other icons and things, but I'm proud of that and how it turned out. So that's everything. It's been a great semester learning from each of y'all on the discussion boards, and yeah, thanks so much.